Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites, a registered email or mobile, and your login credentials. Open the ISRO Quiz portal in Chrome or Firefox. Make sure JavaScript and cookies are enabled so forms work. Once the page loads, locate the login button and click it. Don't wander. Enter your registration ID, then your password, and type the CAPTCHA exactly. Case matters. If you spot a drop-down for exam or session, pick the correct one now, because that selects your quiz instance for the session. Once you have entered credentials, double-check for extra spaces or wrong characters. Copy-paste can add hidden spaces. If two-factor authentication appears, request the OTP and enter it within the timeout. This secures your session. Make sure you select the correct quiz name and test window from any drop-down. This maps you to the right question set. Read and accept any terms or instructions because the system may block attempts otherwise. Finally, press Start or Login to proceed into the quiz environment. On the quiz landing page, verify the timer, rules, and navigation controls because once you begin, the timer runs. If the system shows you as locked out or rejects credentials, first use Forgot Password to reset. Follow the emailed link. If that fails, clear your browser cache, try a different supported browser, or open an incognito window. These steps remove stale sessions. As a last resort, contact support with your registration ID and timestamp screenshots. They can re-enable access or explain next steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.